I just deleted 7 Chrome extensions I've been paying for 3 years and replaced them all with something Google secretly added to Chrome last week that turns AI prompts into one-click tools. Priya spent 2 hours every morning manually formatting 40 emails using a paid Chrome extension template tool. She juggled 6 browser tabs, copying research data manually between them with another paid tool she didn't even like. 5 Chrome extensions, $47 per month, every single month, just to keep her workflow from completely falling apart. And the worst part? Every browser update risked breaking one of those extensions, creating an entirely new emergency to solve. Chrome Skills transforms AI prompts into permanent one-click tools that work across every single website you visit. This isn't another chatbot. It's persistent workflow automation that actually replaces the extensions you're paying for monthly. Users can save, discover, and remix AI workflows, turning 2 hours of repetitive work into 8-minute single clicks. Meet Priya, a content manager who is spending $47 monthly on Chrome extensions alone. Her morning started with formatting 40 emails manually, copying templates from a paid extension every single time. She juggled 6 browser tabs, copying research data manually between them using another extension she paid for. 2 hours every day just formatting emails. 2 full hours she could never get back from her life. Then she discovered Chrome Skills, Google's new feature that turns AI prompts into reusable one-click workflow tools. She built her first skill in 12 minutes, an email formatter that worked across any website instantly. By afternoon, she had 10 custom skills running, each replacing a different paid extension she'd been subscribed to. Her daily email formatting dropped from 2 hours down to exactly 8 minutes total, a 93% time reduction. She created one research compilation skill that automatically extracted data from multiple websites with one click. No more copying between 6 tabs. No more $47 monthly subscriptions. Just simple one-click automation. This represents a fundamental shift from temporary prompts to persistent workflow automation that actually replaces traditional extensions. Priya now saves 10 hours weekly, time she spends with her family, instead of formatting emails manually. And she did it all without coding, without paying subscriptions, just using Chrome's new Skills feature. Priya opened Chrome's Gemini sidebar and clicked the New Skills tab nobody talks about yet. Instead of typing prompts repeatedly, she saved her first email, formatting prompt, as a reusable skill. She named it Client Email Formatter and started it for instant access on any website. Within 30 minutes, she built 9 more skills for research extraction, link organization, and data formatting. Each skill works across any website through the sidebar. No separate extension installation or management needed. Her email formatting, that took 2 hours daily, now happens with one click in 8 minutes total. She uninstalled 7 paid extensions, canceling subscriptions that cost her $47 every single month. The research compilation skill automatically extracts data from 6 tabs and formats it into one clean document. This represents persistent workflow automation, not one-off prompts that disappear after you use them once. You can discover skills other users created, save them, remix them, and share your own workflows instantly. Priya turned repetitive browser tasks into reusable one-click tools that work everywhere without paying monthly fees. Priya's first Chrome skill saved her 42 minutes the very first day she built it. She turned repetitive email formatting into a single click, 8 minutes versus 2 full hours daily. 10 custom skills replaced 5 paid extensions. She canceled $47 in monthly subscription charges. Her one-click research skill automatically extracts and formats data from 6 different websites simultaneously. This isn't theoretical. Chrome Skills transforms one-off prompts into persistent workflow automation tools. She built all 10 skills in one afternoon. No coding, no technical knowledge, just simple prompts. Quick favor, if these Chrome skills are blowing your mind right now, just tap that like button below. It genuinely tells me you want more AI automation breakdowns like this. Helps me know what to cover next. Here's the secret most people miss. You can duplicate and remix other people's Chrome skills instantly. Priya found a skill that extracts pricing tables from any competitor website and formats them automatically. She duplicated it, tweaked 2 prompts, and now it works perfectly for her specific research workflow. This means you're never starting from scratch. Every skill you see becomes your personal automation template immediately. If Chrome Skills just saved you hours this week, subscribe to Insight Tech Daily right now. Hit that bell icon, share this with one person who needs it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Quick legal note. Results vary wildly based on your specific workflow and how you use these tools. Priya's time savings are real, but your mileage depends on task complexity and how much you automate.